Before the colour service, carry out a creative consultation to best assess your client's colour and care needs. Create a diagonal parting from the high recession to the centre crown and repeat on the opposite side. Next, take a horizontal parting from ear to ear below the occipital bone. Secure this section away as it remains uncoloured. Separate the remaining hair into 4 equally sized sections. Secure each section with a TIGI PRO Sectioning Clip. Put on protective gloves. Start at the front side section and take a diagonal parting. Take a slice and apply Formula 1, starting an inch from the scalp. Repeat on the next parting. At the third parting, use the same technique and apply Formula 2. Continue until the section is complete and repeat on the remaining sections. Process for up to 40 minutes. Emulsify, rinse and remove with your recommended TIGI copyright care regime. Tone the pre-lightened areas with Formula 3 and process visually for up to 20 minutes. Emulsify, rinse and remove.